drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Did you look for me? I walked in the room, my eyes are red and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? Nobody will know the paranoia. Cause I put a smile on my face, a facade you can never face. If you don't know me well, oh, you won't see how buried I am inside my grave. Inside my grave. Cause you see people don't really know me. They don't really know me. Cause you see people, they don't really know me. They don't really know. Cause I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Did you look for me? I walked in the room, my eyes are red and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? Oh, Holy Father, I did try for hold my head. I said, make you know, leave me be, Holy Father, oh, Holy Father, I did try. Yeah, who cannot take for here? I've been drinking I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me?
Come on, give it up for her. I felt that song even more so right now, but let's hear from our judges.
You said forgive us.
Someone in the crowd said forgive us. They should have voted. All right, go ahead, judges.
Oh my
All the
God.
guys are just chancing Simi today. I don't understand.
No, Simi, please.
I guess ladies first.
Yes, ladies first, Simi.
No, that was actually it.
I did. That's why I got it.
If you had done this song last week, I feel like you definitely would have been in the top 8. This was beautiful, and this is what I've been wanting to hear from you. You know, and I wish you so much, success going forward.
I literally was going to say that that was your best performance. Like you saved the best for the last. And I'm glad that you showed us the reason why you should have been here. You are here in the first place, like you're in the top 10. So everybody is a star, but we can only have one winner. So you now, they don't even give you a chance. Maybe go start to the blow quick. I must greet you specially. I love your swag too.
Reigny, I've got to tell you, I'm really, really happy with your performance because that just justified why you made the top 10. It reminded everybody what you can do. And I hope it reminds you that you can win.
Thank you so much.
Well, so that's the end of her journey on Idol, but certainly not the end of her career. Look out for her. Look out for Abraham on social media. Support their careers as they move forward in music. Thank you so much, Reigny, for blessing us. Put your hands together for her. Well, those are the bonus tracks. I hope you guys had a good time with us here at Nigerian Idol. Come back again next week. We have our artists, our contestants doing so much more for you next week. They get better with each passing week, so you don't want to miss what they're bringing you next week. And make sure you vote for your favorites. God bless you. Thank you so much, and good night. God bless you.